MICE professionals. After a long pause, we are really happy to welcome you in Kyiv, in Ukraine, at our long-awaited MMP Forum.
MMP Forum will unite the experts of hospitality and MICE industry of Ukraine and worldwide to represent the best services and possibilities for the business growth.
The most experienced hosted buyers selected with strict professional criteria will come to Kyiv to participate in this business event.
The best services of Ukrainian hospitality will wait for our respective delegates from different parts of the world.
MMP Forum will be held in Kyiv. Kyiv was not chosen in vain, as it's one of the most popular destinations for MICE, and in addition, it has perfect air connection.
The upcoming event, MMP Forum, will take place in Kyiv, the capital of Ukraine, in the brightest hotel of the city center of Kyiv, Intercontinental Hotel Kyiv. On 8th of October will be full-day session, business to business. And also following to the forum, it will be post tour to the city of Lviv, to the western part of Ukraine.
Welcome to Ukraine! Welcome to MMP!